Hello, welcome back. So in the previous video we created our to-do list where we could add new tasks where they're added. So let's look back at the views. So we have our views here from home where we get all the tasks. Then if it's a post, we create a new task. We could also delete a task here, and also we could update a task. Now as you can see, our website has no styles at all, and we would like to add some new styles here. So how do we do this? Previously, or in your previous training, we could just do link. We could just add a link here and connect to our CSS files, but that is different with Django, because Django serves the HTML and static files differently. So what do we need to do? First, we need to create a folder here in the base directory called static. You can name it however you want, but it's good practice to name it static. So this is where all your static files are going to reside. Then next, you're going inside the project folder under settings. You scroll down and see static URL. So this is the URL where the static files will be found. Now you have to add another variable here. I think, yeah, the static files directories. So this one holds all the directories where the static files reside in your project. So the first one is under the base directory inside the folder static. That is where we're going to find the static files. So after that, we are done with settings. Now we can go inside the static files and create our new file. Let's say the styles.css. Okay, let's edit something here. Let's look okay, a list item. Let's change the list item. Maybe the color, just a simple one, because this is not a CSS tutorial. Create, yeah, and maybe the font size. That's it. Now we need to connect the two. So we'll introduce another Django template tag. Previously we do just the href, then the name of the file, but here, because files are served using the static URL, we need to add the static tag. So this is how it's added. So you have the brackets %, then the static, and now the path to the file. So in our case, static, so that means you're already in this folder. We go directly to styles.css. So styles.css. Now let's save this and let's look at our browser. Now we found an error. This is expected. So we say that, did you forget to load this tag? So we need to load the static tag before using it. Now we do this in the top of the HTML file. So using the load tag, and we are going to load static. So this is tell Django that they contain, or this HTML contains some static files, and you can use the static tag. Now we save this and let's refresh our page. The error should be gone. Now great. As you can see now, the changes are applied. This is the color, maybe let's say green. Let's refresh this. As you can see, now we have successfully added a static file. Now you can edit this HTML, or you can use other styles you like. And in the case of JavaScript, it's just the same. You'll create your JavaScript file here, and inside here, if you want to connect it, just directly add the script tag, script, and source, Now here you also use the static tag, so because it's a static file, and now it's main.js. So let's put something here like alert welcome. So that's it. Refresh this. As you can see, the JavaScript has successfully run. Now thank you. I think we're done with this project. Please subscribe and share this video, and let me see you in other projects. Thank you.